Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to do the Roux Rubik's Cube easy method. First, let's build the initial 1x3x3 block. Choose any face, perhaps white, and construct this block. It includes a center, 3 edges, and 3 corners, forming a solid block on one side. This foundational step is crucial for setting up the rest of the solve, so take your time to ensure it is correctly oriented and assembled. Next, we move to building the second 1x3x3 block. This block is created on the opposite side of your first block, ensuring it doesn't disrupt your initial construction. You'll be working with the remaining pieces to form this second block, effectively completing 2/3 of the first 2 layers of the cube. This step requires careful observation and precise moves to maintain the integrity of your first block. Now, we tackle the corners of the last layer, or CMLL. This stage focuses on orienting and permuting all 4 corner pieces of the top layer. There are 7 distinct CMLL cases to learn, each with its own specific algorithm. Mastering these algorithms allows you to solve all the top layer corners in one go, bringing us closer to the final solution. Practice recognizing these patterns for faster execution. Finally, we arrive at the last 6 edges, or LSE. This is the concluding step where we solve the remaining 6 edge pieces on the top layer. LSE is usually divided into 2 or 3 smaller substeps, focusing on orienting and then permuting these edges. With practice, you'll learn to efficiently manipulate these last pieces, bringing your Rubik's Cube to a fully solved state using the Roux method. Congratulations on learning this efficient technique.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.